what's up? This is Tricia and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am getting really nervous doing this because medyo nahihiya ako, and this is actually my first ever vlog. Ganito palang feeling kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa sarili mo. Para ka lang baliw. But I am excited at the same time because I've always wanted to make vlogs for so many years now. Matagal ko nang pinapangarap ko. And I can't wait to share my ideas and bring it into life. I started making music covers on YouTube and I still want to keep doing that as it is one of my passions. And I just want to share my skincare, beauty tips, and also my personal growth, what I have been learning and what I have gone through. And I just want to build confidence in myself because that is one of the things that I want to improve on. And hopefully you guys can support me with this new journey of opening myself to the world of vlogging. So click that subscribe button if you want to see me again, please. And thank you in advance. So today I will be doing a get to know me vlog. I prepared some random Q&A and I will also pick some questions from you guys. So thank you to everyone who commented on my post on Facebook and Instagram. Follow me there. Let's get on to the video. What is my full name? My full name is Tricia Monica James. And some of you might know my last name is Lubiano because that is my dad's surname. And on my birth certificate, my last name is James. That's my mom's surname. They weren't married at the time of my birth. So yun. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines, south of Manila. So hello sa mga taga-South peeps dyan. So, where did you go to school? I studied in the University of Perpetual Help Rizal nung high school ako and nung college. Ilang taon ka na at bakit? I am 26 years old. Why? Because I was born in 1993. Sorry, I'm not really good at making jokes. What is your height? I stand 5 feet 5 inches tall. What is your zodiac sign? I am a Gemini. What is your favorite color? Nude pink, blue, pastel colors, pink, white, black, turquoise. It really depends on my mood. I could say a rainbow. The first thing you do when you wake up, make myself a cup of coffee. Favorite drink? Milk tea and Starbucks. What makes you happy? Milk tea, food, hanging out with the people I love, and alone time. Always in your bag, lip tint. What is your skincare? I'll share with you guys my skincare routine on the next video. So hope you guys stay tuned. If you want to see any band, who would it be? Coldplay. I'm really gonna cry if I see them. I'm really gonna cry. Do you have pets? I have a dog named Summer and I have a cat named Sunday. They're very cute and awesome pets. What are your fears in general? Fear of falling down from heights. I really want to cliff dive. Many attempts but umaatras talaga ako. Would you have endless love or endless money? Gusto kong yumaman, but I will choose endless love. Because money comes and goes, and it will always find its way to you. As long as you keep a positive mind and keep working on your goals, set an intention for yourself, tried and tested, always when I feel contented with myself, where I'm at, and not worrying about money, it always finds its way to me. So when money comes, I really feel thankful and grateful about it, and the universe has its way talaga. So endless love is like true love, either from your family, from your friends, from your loved ones, and even finding love from yourself. That's where you get your true happiness. Na nandyan yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, and it feels really good to know that someone cares for you and loves you for just the way you are. And that will stay in your heart forever. What are your plans on how to inspire and give positive vibes to people? Actually, I've tried many times to make vlogs and I just didn't have the courage to upload it because I felt that I wasn't good enough or I'm not that interesting enough. And I don't think I'm that funny at all. So, medyo nalungkot ako and na-disappoint ako sa sarili ko and nawalan ako ng motivation to do it. I just took some time off to allow myself grow in other ways and also accepting myself for who I really am. I really want to get out of my comfort zone and overcome my shyness, and most importantly, let myself express freely. Ako kasi yung taong tahimik talaga, and may anxiety kasi ako, so every time I try to talk to people, being in a big group, medyo nahihirapan ako makipag-usap or makapagsalita. So this is a way of me practicing my speaking skills. And I learned that I shouldn't compare myself to others because we are all different and we have our special abilities that sometimes are hidden. So I want to really inspire others to who doesn't have the courage to do something they want because they don't feel enough. Know that you can do this. We can do this. Have a little faith in yourself. I know how it feels and it's difficult sometimes, but all we can do is at least try. That's why I'm facing my fears now and nilalakasan ko talaga yung loob ko because I realize I don't want to live my life in fear because that's how I've been living my life, in fear. And I just want to enjoy every possible moment that I can and have an open mind and learn new things and learn more about myself and what I can improve on. So for me, I just want to share my journey on my personal growth and hopefully this can help others do the same. And I will talk about more stuff like that on another video so we can talk about that more and hopefully you get to understand me even more. And again, I want to thank you all for watching this video, my first ever vlog. Wishing you a good day and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. So goodbye for now.